The figure shows two identical quadrants, each with radius r. What is the area of the shaded part? Leave your answer in terms of r and pi. This is the lower quadrant with radius r. This is the upper quadrant with radius r. We are required to find the shaded area, i.e., the overlapped area between the two quadrants. Let us now consolidate the information that we know. The area of the square will be r multiplied by r. That will give us r squared. The area of the lower quadrant is equals to 90 over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. That will give us pi r squared over 4. Similarly, the area of the upper quadrant will also be equals to pi r squared over 4. We have calculated the area of the square and the area of the lower and upper quadrants respectively. How do we find the shaded area in the middle? The area of the lower quadrant added to the area of the upper quadrant must be greater than the area of the square, since there is an area of overlap in the middle. The combined areas of the two quadrants is equal to the combined area of the square and the overlapped area. The shaded area can be calculated by adding the areas of the lower and upper quadrants less the area of the square. The shaded area is equals to the area of the lower quadrant, which is pi r squared over 4, plus the area of the upper quadrant, which is also pi r squared over 4, less the area of the square, which is r squared. This will give us r squared multiplied by pi over 2 minus 1. Another way of looking at the problem is to label the three areas A, B, and C. The shaded area would be equals to the area of the lower quadrant, which is A plus B, added on to the area of the upper quadrant, which is B plus C, less the area of the square, which is A plus B plus C. After simplifying the expression, you get that the shaded area is equals to B.